are new here, hello, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, hey family, I hope that y'all are enjoying this content. Thank you all for always tuning in and sharing this video and commenting and leaving me feedback. Y'all, I love it. And y'all are gonna love what I have today, okay? Because this wash and go, this wash stop and go, as y'all can see, is so bomb. And I'm gonna be showing y'all the products that I use. Y'all, make sure y'all listen at the end of the video what day I am on this wash stop and go. Like, it is hosing, okay? So I hope that y'all get some tips, y'all get some tricks, y'all grab some food, y'all grab some makeup, y'all grab some hair products, and y'all can sit down and watch this video and stay tuned for what's to come next. All right, friends, I'm gonna start by taking off this t-shirt that I have my hair in. This is freshly washed hair. I actually did something a little different. I plaited my hair into 4 plaits right out of the shower, just to try to help it maintain moisture because it's been drying up like crazy. So I'm gonna start with this section back here and untwist or unbraid it. Today in my wash and go, I'm gonna be using 2 products that I like a lot. I used this one with the Wetline Extreme Gel before, and it is the Moisturizing Curl Activator by Cantu. In partnership, I'm gonna be using this with the Eco Style Gel. Y'all know I have been using this product and I love it, and it's been giving me some really good results. And it's been giving me some really good results, just like the Wetline Extreme Gel. So I'm battling between like which one do I like most, and I'm gonna do like a comparison probably towards the end of this entire Eco Style Gel series kind of thing that I have going on, just to figure out which one held best and which one I like more. And so as always, now that my hair is unbraided, I'm gonna start with the back section over here, just pulling out about that much hair, just to start off at the, I'm actually gonna take some more. So I'm gonna use about that much hair, starting off to apply the product. Y'all know that I apply creams first and then I apply the gel. With this bottle being like this versus like the open containers that most natural products have, sort of like this, I decided to pour this out on my little spread in front of me, and so y'all won't actually see me picking this up because I already poured some on the table. And so I'm just gonna dip into that. I'm gonna use about this much, and I'm just going to start applying this on my hair, beginning from the roots, making sure that I do not leave out the ends. And I'm just going to mix this pretty good. And then I'm gonna go in. Y'all know I don't always use the Denman brush. I actually barely use it, just because it does give me defined curls, but it causes so much shrinkage because of how defined the curls are, that I like to just use a wide tooth comb. I always start with the wide tooth part, and then I go to the smaller section once I do my first comb through. And I go ahead and work my way up and then down, and then I start with the smaller side on my ends, and then I work my way back up. And this just makes sure that I get all the tangles out, and that my hair is smoothed and that the product is applied all throughout my hair before applying my styler gel, which of course is the Eco Style. I'm gonna be using this much. It's kind of hard to see, but that much, beginning again at the roots and then bringing it down through the ends of my hair. Y'all have seen this process probably a million times on my videos, and so I'm not gonna talk through this entire thing. Instead, I'm gonna let y'all listen to some music and watch what I do. But after I rake through this, I'm then going to follow up with, of course, the praying hands. I really like this method even more than the shingling method, just because shingling takes so long because you're going through each strand of hair, and I don't always have time for that. I literally give myself like an hour to do my hair a week, and shingling just takes forever. So I'm gonna continue this process, and then y'all tune in, listen to some music, and I will check back in once I get to the other side of my hair. So that I can do my part. I have been loving the side part lately, and so I'm gonna stick with that today. So I'm gonna just get my rat tail comb that y'all know I like using and just slightly make a part over in this area. My hair is drying up a little bit, so it might be a little hard, but the part is kind of like already there. And so I don't have to do much, which is good. So I'm going to just section this part, and then I'm gonna start back with the cream and gel process. So keep staying tuned. So now I'm gonna start applying the gel and cream product on this layer just to accent the part and get that hair prepped, and then I'll start on this side. So I'll let y'all watch that process. So make sure that you stay tuned. To my hair, I'm now going to get in the process of laying my edges, my favorite part. And this is just to make sure that they're secure before I get to drying, because since once you dry, they are going to be stuck, okay? So I'm gonna just apply it to this side of my edges, mainly because of course I have a bane on this side, and so I'm not necessarily gonna worry about the edges over there as much as these, because these aren't going to show as often. So I'm gonna take my little edge control brush and just begin that process.
I'm rich.
Okay guys, now I'm going to sit under my even degrees blow dryer compartment thing and use my blow dryer to dry my hair quickly. I'm gonna sit under here for about 20 to 25 minutes, possibly 30 minutes, depending on how long it takes to dry. I typically sit under a medium heat setting. I don't really do cool just because it never really dries my hair. And this way I can make sure that the products are actually penetrating my scalp and getting in there. I also went ahead and added some Cantu tea tree jojoba hair and scalp oil. I love using this underneath my dryers because with low porosity hair, it makes sure that the ingredients actually penetrate my scalp and get into the hair wefts of my hair. And so it is just all around a good product. I really have been loving this. It smells so good. And it says that it helps protect against breakage, conditioning the scalp to encourage growth, and there is no drip formula. So I really like this product, and I've been using it for about 2 to 3 times in my recent wash and go. So check this product out, and again, y'all can go ahead and watch this process, and then I'll be back with the final look. Alright guys, this is the final look of the Cantu Curling Moisturizing Cream Activator product with the Eco Style Gel. Y'all, this is not day 1 hair, okay? This is not day 2 hair, y'all. This is day 3 hair. It took me a while to record the outro intro to this video just because I had so many errands going on and I have somewhere I'm traveling this weekend. I've just had so many things that I've been trying to hurry and get done before all of this, including having to go to work and school on top of it. Y'all, this is my second time stretching this hair. The first time I stretched it, it ended up shrinking back up, which is a sign of healthy hair, so I don't mind that. It does happen. And I typically don't stretch my hair twice, but I did for this video so that y'all can see all of the full effect of this wash, stop, and go. And y'all, my hair stretched and the curls are still there and they still all in your face and they still look so bomb. Y'all, there's not a whole bunch of frizz. It's just all this glory, all these curls, and it looks so good. I do recommend y'all trying these 2 products together. I'm still trying to figure out if I like the Eco Style Gel more than I like the Wet Line Extreme, because y'all, it is so 50-50 right now. These products, gel products, are rocking it when it comes to my hair. So I don't know who canceled Miss Thing right here, but I'm not canceling because my hair has been loving this product. And so yes, remember guys, if you have not already subscribed, make sure that you do subscribe. Family, make sure you share the video, comment, let me know how y'all think this video is and the content that I'm pouring out, and anything that y'all want to see. Give me some direction, y'all, and I hope that y'all try this combo. It is so bomb. And like I said, this is day 3, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna last to day 7 on this hair with this wash and go. So make sure that y'all try this. Once again, I cannot say that enough. Again, I'll see y'all in my next video, and I love y'all so much. Bye guys.